yung walkout incident. If you're referring to the command conference, that's fake news, no? I was there personally. There's nothing of that sort that happened. It was a very professional change of ideas and discussion, and there was also a lot of updates that was given. It was all positive, ended on a positive note.
Ano nga yung motive mo, sir? Ba't may mga gantong lumalabas? Anong motibo, sir?
Marites warfare.
Sir, kasi may mga text din na parang sinisisi daw ng military si SND, mga ganong mga...
The chain of command is intact. We have very good and robust working relationships with higher headquarters, especially the Department of National Defense.
May footprint ba ang China dito sa pagkalat ng mga ganang?
We have to do further checking on that.
Pero it's clear na parang someone is trying to sow dissent sa iyo. Kasama na rin.
We have to be very careful lest we pick up the wrong narratives. Again, the AFP is a professional organization. We conduct ourselves with the highest level of professionalism. The chain of command is intact.
Tatalakayan natin yan at magandang umaga sa mga Cavaliers, mga mista, sa ating mga kasundaluhan. Alam po nyo, at maging mga retired generals at lahat po ng mga vloggers na sumusubaybay po sa atin. Alam po niyo hanggang sa ngayon mainit pa rin yung balita natin last week, ha? Ayan, yung iba sinasabi fake news. Ayan, hindi po fake news yun. Pinindigan na ating bubit, ha? Na meron nag-walk out na general at ilan pa, ha? Ayan, kaya lang sabi nga natin alam po niyo mahabigan, kaya dapat po ingat po tayo sa mga trolls. Ayan, may mga anti, may mga pro. Ayan,